Very good evening, friend, and in this video we are just going to work with the designing aspects. So let me create a new drawable resource file, and there I just give it a name as btn shape. This design I'm going to apply for each and every button. So now what I need, since buttons are rectangular in shape, so I'm just going to provide some corner radius and the background color here, and that I'll apply to each and every button in my application. Right now I have um, like the one login and other is to sign up. So this is my solid. So inside the tag solid I just provide some color to this, and so the Android color, and according to my theme I'll select this orange. So right now I just select the color as color primary dark, and I'll go into the color and change this color primary dark only as the orange. So that is the way it should work, because now I'm trying to model my application based on the real applications. Some Android Studio asks you not to use certain things which I'm not going to use. So the corner Android radius is 14 density pixel we can use, so it will provide little more border radius around the vertices of the button, so you can see around the corners of the button, so that will become little curvy. And the background or the margin, I think till now it's enough, um, so it's fine. So just if you want to apply this layout, then to each and every, now I just go to the color.xml and there I change the primary color. As here I click on this, select this color, done. Then I'll change the color primary dark also. I take another one, little lighter one. Okay, so light brown, orange, and this is blue one. Okay, so now I need the same thing for my edit text also. I want to provide the stroke around those things. So first let me remove my action bar. So here I just go into the styles, make it as no action bar, and then I'll come back to my activity main, which is a login activity, and then there I provide this theme. So wherever you see this background, I just write at the rate of drawable slash ed or button btn shape. This is btn shape. So you create the layout and just provide everywhere as the background, so all those features like the corner radius, background, whatever I provided there, that will be applied to each and every button wherever I'm using this. So I go back into style, because color I think should be a little more. Okay, this is my activity main. Okay, so wherever the background, temporarily I provided the normal background, I remove all these things, because here along with the background I have got the corner radius also. So now you see this is working well. Okay, so I just make it a little darker because this is lighter according to the theme. Yes, so make it a little darker and change the color primary as the lighter. Okay, so this way whatever color you choose, you can also do the same way. You should not copy exactly the way I'm doing, but just try to learn how to do the things. So now this is the text. So I just try to create one more, so drawable layout, and that I'll be, so just copy and paste it. This I'll be using for my each and every edit text. So I just provide the name as edit or ed shape. Okay, so now this has got radius, everything is fine, but only I need to provide some stroke, and the stroke color and the stroke width. So inside the stroke I provide Android color as, so Android, and then I use this one hollow blue dark. and the Android width should be 2 density pixel. And now the same way I'll apply this to each and every edit text, and just you can write like Android background at the rate of the way I did it for button, and then you will find that everywhere your edit. Now this solid background is not needed, only I need stroke because I want the background to remain white. So yes, now wherever edit text I have, I will just change the background with the help of drawable and ed shape. So this way the change whatever I have designed in my layout will be implemented here. Okay, so I just copy and paste it everywhere. So this is my edit text, and let me paste it here. Oh, sorry. So here, yes, edit shape. Here also I paste it. Here also I paste it, and here also. Okay, let me see how it looks. Edit shape, color, everything is fine. Okay, then oh, I by mistake I provided the background to my text view also. That I should not do. So okay, so let me remove from the top this one. Okay, so first let me provide here password also is done. Here I do not need it. So whatever it was like the background orange at the rate of is Android color. Okay, okay, Android color and the hollow orange dark. Okay, now it's fine. In the next video I'll change all these again because I have got my images and I designed it on my Photoshop, and I am going to introduce all those things here. So if you run the application now, you will see that how it looks. But before that, yes, so the Android Studio, now this is string.xml. What is the purpose of the string.xml? Android Studio always asks not to enter the hard coded text, just like the way I write hint equal to email, text equal to this. For that you have to create strings, and this you can create inside this string.xml. So here I'm creating 1 2. I'll create more, but I'm describing only 1 2, then I'll copy paste. So I created one string name as mail, and there you see inside I have put the text called e-mail. So this is how I have done for button login, button register, for the banner also, for the everywhere I have created those things. And simply I'll remove all those text, like here Android text. So remove this, you write at the rate of string slash, and this is my banner, so I just named it as welcome. So same thing I'll do for each and every, like for button. So this is called not using hard text. Now you see the number of warnings also disappearing, and finally it will take the shape like this. Now let me run the application. Some string features I did not show you, but you can do the very same way the way I discussed. So this is all, and thank you very much. Watch my next video, subscribe to our channel, and have a very nice time. Thank you very much.